folks, Dan Kielcho here, Fish Hard Northwest. We're out here at Neah Bay in Alfie's new 26-foot North River offshore. We're out here to break it in, get it stinky with some salmon, some bottom fish, laying cod, whatever. I'm out here with my son RJ, son-in-law Max, and obviously Alfie, Captain Alfie.
It tells you everything, and we're still learning how to use it.
Heading out to Swiftsure. Gonna do some trolling out there. Gonna get into some kings right away, I guarantee. Stay tuned. Dan Kielcho, Fish Hard Northwest. Okay, RJ got one while he was dropping down the downrigger. Caught it on the way down, snapped him right off. Oh yeah, it is running. Got a whale in the background too. Oh yeah, RJ. There you go, there you go. Yeah, look at that, ripping some line. Woo! All right, here we go. Doubling up. Doubling up.
This guy is a
doubling up. This is it. This is how we break in Alfie's boat. Right here. Got a double. Oh, look at that seal. You guys are going to get sealed. You're going to get sealed. You got sealed.
Came off. You ripped that line. I think
the seal took it. He was in the back. I think I got it on camera.
Oh man, he's got my fucker. Get him in, Max. Get him in. Come on.
Let's go, Max. Let's get this one in.
Dang, that was so
RJ got sealed. Max is bringing it in. Look at that. He's flowing your fish around back there, and there's a whale. He was flipping your fish.
right off.
Look at it. He's eating it right now. You see him? Oh, Max, get this thing in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Max.
Go back to the water.
Woo!
May have to leave. Just slow it down. Just stop.
There it is. I see his flasher. Oh!
Pop right in the
Came off. Dang it. All right, let's go, Dad. There we go. Keep them on. Keep them on.
little bigger. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Looks like another thing. It's a lot smaller though. Let me grab my tape.
All right, RJ, got a bite.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah.
Looks good, looks good.
I'm not gonna.
Drag's not too tight.
It's not too bad. Doing a little bit better.
Okay, here we go. That's got the net.
Going.
Oh yeah. Good size.
That's good.
That's decent. Good job, RJ.
Nice.
Decent fish. Okay, Alfie's bringing one in. We were down deep, about 225, using an ace fly. Yeah, keep reeling, Alfie.
Let him fight.
Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, he's fighting. What? Gonna pull Alfie overboard. Okay.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, there we go.
I like that. I'm not used to
If it runs, just let him pull it.
drags on it.
Yeah, there's a drag.
Okay, now it's a little bit too much. Put some line on him.
Yeah,
there
he's
he
on
is.
top.
Yeah. He might be a keeper. Oh.
Keep going. He's coming towards the boat.
I think I need to drag tight this a little bit. A little tighter.
No. Oh yeah, it looks good. Oh, oh yes, I could see it. Here's the big one.
Oh!
Keep fighting it. Yes.
Alright, everything's clear on this side.
Oh, that's a big one. That is a big one.
Nobody freak out, let's execute.
Let's get it in the boat. Oh yeah.
You got it. Get
You
that
got it,
rock
Alfie.
a couple feet from that rod tip and then step back.
Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet.
When he's ready. Good bite. Coming, keep coming.
Oh, yes.
See, that's what we're
That's
after.
what we're looking for.
Keep coming.
Keep going.
Keep coming. Real.
Okay, walk back, walk back, walk back, walk back out. Yes!
Let's go.
Yes, Alfie! Yeah! All right, that's how you do it. Look at that one, Alfie! Oh, he can barely stand up. Look at that. That wore him out. Look at that beast.
Go.
Woo, that's it.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, look at that. Nice. Woo. 1 second, Alfie right here. Yes, that's how you do it.
Yeah,
Fish hard northwest.
That's at least a 20.
Alfie, say fish hard northwest.
I gotta skip.
Say fish hard northwest.
Yeah.
Fish hard northwest.
Yeah, right. All right, RJ has one on the line. We're trolling a little bit faster. Hit it. Hopefully this is a keeper. Running a little bit. Could be a coho. Don't know. Is that ready? There we go. That's king right there. Oh, you're gonna get sealed. Max has one. Sealed right behind us again. Oh geez. He is coming for it. Jeez, look at that. He's just like Jaws.
Yeah, we may need to move.
And get away
I
from
think
the
we
seal.
Oh.
Go, go, go.
RJ, hurry up. Still on.
Half the fish? No, he's on. Oh, bad. Just small guy.
Alright, yeah, I think we should move.
Okay, we might have a double here. Max's fish.
This is
Ripping some line. Listen to it, ripping.
this might be a halibut.
Woo! It's ripping some line. RJ, I think you got that thing.
Turn right, turn right.
Good,
Easy.
good.
Okay, good.
You have one?
Yeah. seems kind of small.
If we could slow down a little bit.
Oh, that's nice to see. He's getting a little tired. That's good. That's a good sign.
Definitely a good sign.
Yeah. Yeah. He's acting like the one I played with.
Yeah, look at that. Both of them fighting. Love it. This is how you do it. Fish hard northwest right here. Double it up.
And what's your strategy? We only got one net, one at a time.
I'll grab it.
Here we go. I think the big boy is right.
Yeah, right. Try and keep it straight.
Oh yeah.
Nice on the top.
Did you get a trout?
Yeah, it looks like a trout. Okay, let's do this.
Tail. Look at that tail.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Lucky rod
RJ.
right here.
It's on the ace fly. Chartreuse. Ooh boy, this is gonna be a good one.
Oh yeah. Nice one. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Nice one. Oh yeah.
That is a pig.
I was as deep as the downrigger will go.
Yeah, good job, Alfie. Yes, look at that.
Oh my
Fish hard northwest.
Oh.
That's how you do it.
Way to go, man.
Woo! On the ace fly, chartreuse. Yes. Wow. All right, Max just got on a huge king. Max, what do you say?
Fish hard northwest.
Yes. Hooked on a minute ago.
Oh, I like that.
Slack tide right now. Freaking beautiful.
Yeah.
Pops is hooked on.
Over
Let's see how big it is. Taking some drag.
Get a little more movement on the bait. Let him fight if he's
Oh yeah, let him run, let him run.
We'll pull him to the surface.
Let him run.
Tire him out. Oh yeah. Feels like there's some weight on there, huh? It's not
You're
like
good.
ripping.
Same
It's not
speed.
like
Oh, whale.
I'll get out of your way again.
Alright, careful near the surface with the flasher.
Let him run, let him run.
Flasher.
There we go. Eyes on, eyes on.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Bring him over here.
Yeah, bring him left, bring him left.
RJ turn. Wheel. Yeah, let him go down. Let him go down. Not ready. Walk him back right in.
Woo! Nice.
Oh, nice!
Oh yeah.
Nice! Yeah, you done good! Oh, you did it!
Let's go. Nice. Beautiful fish, Dad. Let's go.
Fish hard Northwest. Catching the kings. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
All right, Max. Looks like he's on a big one. After RJ dropped it, Max picked up the pole. That's all right. We're fishing. Yeah. RJ, you want to clear that other downrigger? Coming straight at the boat.
Gotcha, Max.
Here. 24.
Pushing.
I don't think
Well, we'll measure it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we need one more for our limit. This could be it. Alfie's into one.
That was way deep. Say, we were catching them with 5 feet of line left on the downrigger.
Stretching our limits.
Probably slow down. I'm trying to hang out underwater.
Yeah. Looks good, looks good.
Good angle.
Step back, step back, step back, step back. There you go. All right, I think that's it.
Yeah,
I think that's it.
Nice.
Good job, Alfie. Woo! All right. Good job. Did it.
Courtesy measure.
Nice job.
That's it.
The last one. I'm gonna measure this bad boy up.
Limits on kings. Stop please.
Right at 24. 24 and
Half.
24 and a half.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, and then
We're done.
that's it's not a native. That's a.
Oh yeah, it is. It is a hatchery. Yep, it's missing its pin.
Hatch.
Okay, now hatchery is it still 24 or was it 21?
Okay,
All 24.
Fish Art Northwest. We did it. We limited out on all kings. Got some hogs in there. We'll show you in a little bit, but now we're off to go do some bottom fishing. We get some rockfish, some lingcods. We'll see what we can catch. But had a great time fishing out here with Alfie and got into some good fish. We'll chat with you soon.
Get a well shot.
All right, folks, this is Dan Kiocho, Fish Art Northwest. We had an epic day out here at Neah Bay. Thanks, Alfie, for taking us out. Thanks, Max, for putting us on the fish. Check it out.
Flat ocean.
Look at those
Jack
fish.
Tired arms.
All right, guys, how do we do it? Fish Art Northwest. Yeah.
bite action right now.
All right, getting ready to drop in. Just made it out here to Swiftsure, day 2. See if we can hook up on some kings. No one's out here. It's a beautiful day. Check this out. We'll be on some kings in a minute. Stay tuned. Swiftsure Northwest. Beautiful sight. Sun's coming up. Sun's coming up, and we're fishing. Okay, first bite of the morning. Yep, something out there.
What are you shaking your head for?
Sound RJ?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Someone see him running on the side?
Yeah. Okay, Max is into one now, right after RJ landed.
He's
Releasing this
pretty
pink.
close. Are you gonna
Nice
keep
little
him or
pink.
throw him away?
That's a pink. We'll go.
Oh. No, why did you throw the pink away?
Because we want kings.
We want kings.
Now wait a minute. Is it a different taste or what?
Yeah.
Is that when you say that?
Yeah.
I mean, for me, it's kind of like a quarter pounder with cheese.
Yeah. All right, here we go, netting. Little guy.
What?
Species.
Okay, now we have a double. Max is still bringing in his fish. RJ just got on one.
He's caught up.
That's a lot of bait right here. Yep. Yes, sir.
Go faster. Go faster, faster.
Yeah, I think he's a keeper.
Keep wearing them out.
see that tail up into that? Yeah. All right. Are you still on? Yes. No. No, I'm not. All right. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, Alfie.
Got him there.
Oh yeah, he's a keeper. He's definitely.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Nice fish.
Good one.
There we go.
Good one.
All right. Back in gear. Let's get these things back down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well done.
Got a bite while we were setting the flasher out. Oh. Here. Looks like a feisty pink.
He wants to be a big boy someday.
Ridiculous.
Are you gonna get it? Jesus Christ, Dan!
I was gonna say, do you play baseball? There we go. That's a keeper.
Trying to get him in the boat.
Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Okay, we have a double here. Okay, okay. Oh, there you go, RJ. This is your big one. How's it feeling, Alfie?
Well, it's kind of, I'm going to say halfway in between, but it's hard to say because, you know, when they come
Might be
running.
still on the ball.
Good tension for me, Max.
Talk to me.
Good tension. Maintain that speed. Lock. Maintain that speed. What happened?
I don't know.
A little faster, a little faster.
Still on, Alfie. Still on, Alfie.
Speed us up a little. Just gonna drag. Oh, okay, it's loose. Oh, he's off. Careful. Surface. Now 50 yards out.
Swiftsure Northwest. We are ending our Neah Bay fishing trip. Had a great day today. Almost limited out. Got 7 salmon, but got a few rockfish as well. So again, another epic trip out here with Alfie. Got to thank Alfie for taking us out fishing. Hopefully we can do it again next year. So again, Yankee Ocho, Swiftsure Northwest.